Diba sa kuryente, merong positive, merong negative. Kapag meron kayong kuryente at pinagsama nyo yung positive at saka negative, anong mangyayari? Short circuit. Baka masunog pa. And that is what is happening to our world. We are interchanging good and evil. We are calling evil good and we are calling good evil. Pwede nang okay ang kasinungalingan. Pwede nang okay ang pumatay. Pwede nang okay ang magnakaw. Yung mga nagsasabi ng totoo, pinagtatawanan. Brothers and sisters, this is what is happening in the world. Why? Because men and women want to decide what is good and what is evil. Hindi pwede. Sapagkat ang masama at saka ang mabuti ay karapatan ng Diyos. It is not the prerogative of men and women to say what is good and what is evil. Because what is good and what is evil belongs to God. Sabi ng Panginoon sa Bible, do not eat from the tree of the good and evil. Ang dami-dami nating puno na ayaw putulin. Pero yung puno ng masama at mabuti, pinuputol natin palagi. At pinipilit nating tayo na lang yung puno at tayo na lang magsasabi ko anong masama at saka mabuti. For as long as we do this, the world will be on short circuit. And the world will be on fire, not with the fire of the Holy Spirit, but with the fire of hell. Ask the Holy Spirit to teach us what is good and evil, because only God can teach us what is good and evil. If you ask the Holy Spirit to come to you, will teach you. Ang pinakamasamang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo ay hindi mahawa. Ang pinakamasamang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo ay hindi mamatay dahil sa COVID. Ang pinakasamang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo ay magkasala. The worst that can happen to us is to fall out of the grace of God. The worst that can happen to us is eternal damnation instead of life everlasting.